my Simplee Beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica. Please like, subscribe this video and share, and yeah, hit the bell at the top or the bottom, wherever it's at, so you can be notified whenever I do videos. Alright, so right here I'm working on JACLYN Hill palette. I really truly love this palette. If you don't have this palette, try to save up or something and put it to your collection. Is really good. I love all the shades. They're very buttery and pigmented, and this palette cannot do no wrong, basically. So yeah, I'm just warming up the crease, and that's what I'm doing. So yeah, and here's my baby. I'm like, baby girl, I'm in the middle of a makeup tutorial. What are you doing? Alright, so I'm using this shade right here. I like to warm it up my finger and pat it on my lid. If this makes sense, some of these shades are like really buttery and moist. Wait, that's not good. I can't explain. It's like really soft. I don't know what formula they use, but some of these pods in here are extra buttery. If that makes sense. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm just patting that on the lid. And what I like about this palette, if you have an eyeshadow primer or any concealer, you just put that down, and you don't even have to put powder down. You can just put that right there, or you put translucent powder, but it won't move or anything. Well, for me, it doesn't move or nothing. So yeah, but I don't know. This formula on this palette is really good. It reminds me, you know how the Juvia's Place eyeshadow quads are on there? It reminds me of that on some of these pods on this palette. So yeah. Alright, so these are my lashes from my line. They are in Oh Wow. And I hope everybody enjoyed this makeup look. And see you in the next video. Bye.